It did. What's a good YouTube? It's your boy D-Lo, aka Turtle, aka Go. And I'm back with another YouTube video. Anyways, we just got back from shopping. So.
Are you really recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So,
I
yeah.
thought you were just playing.
We might make some pizza on the cam, man. I don't know. I don't feel it yet, man. I've been real tired today. But we're gonna see what's going on. If I wanna see what we got, hold on, I'll show y'all. Cause you know I gotta keep eating healthy, you know. Pineapples. Strawberries already washed and cut for me to devour. Fresh out the bag. Fresh out the bag. I see what piece of style sauce we got. Look at her face out in my video. She already trying to eat one of my strawberries, y'all. We don't have a pizza roller, so it's no point. We can't even make it. You know, mozzarella. Ooh, y'all know I love mushrooms on my pizza. I feel like that's all we got. Yeah, and onions, mushroom and onions. Also, this is the pizza dough we might be using. I'm letting her rock. Letting her rock with it. So that's that. We're gonna see what's going on, man. Stay tuned. Like I got a booger. Let me know, y'all. No cap. Alright, y'all. So let's see what we working with right now. You feel me? Got the pizza going crazy.
Do you think it's big enough? Like, are you gonna want to share?
We're gonna need 2 pieces.
No,
So you might as well.
we're not making 2 pieces.
We're gonna need 2.
Bad. It should be enough for us both to have like 4 pieces, and I'm not even gonna eat that.
Yeah, y'all. So we're about to make 2 pieces.
That's all we're doing it.
Because this piece ain't gonna be enough. I could tell by looking at it that it's tiny.
2 pieces.
Bro, I can eat that by myself.
Like 2 slices.
Okay, and I'm gonna eat the other pieces on that pizza and this whole pizza. I can tell already. What y'all think? Y'all let me know.
I think we're gonna be hated by it.
I just want y'all to make a guess before the video over with. If y'all think that was enough. I could tell that it's not enough, man. I can already tell. It's so crazy trying to get used to looking into this now. Because I'm so used to kind of looking like my phone screen a little bit near my eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they don't put a lot of sauce.
I think that is enough sauce. You don't need too much sauce on there. This ain't that extra sauce pizza.
I don't want to bite the pizza.
You know, pizza trying to look like me, trying to get saucy like me. Y'all wondering why my hoodie on? Cause look, when I put my hoodie on, it smashes my hair, and I hate taking it off and seeing my hair being smashed like this.
So I guess what I'm not making 2 pieces. So if it's not enough, I just won't eat because you want to be greedy.
You don't want to make 2?
No, I don't.
Why not? Amber. Yeah, man, you gonna be okay with just the onions and mushrooms?
I'm eating pepperoni.
See, that's why you only can put that on 2 slices. No, I just said it's gonna be on 2 slices.
Damn, why is it on?
Say something.
Stop. Why do you always be down my back? I can't even.
Look at her about to fall for no reason.
I'm about to wash these mushrooms here so don't show.
Cringy dabs all around the city, man. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna say tuned. We're gonna tap back in. Bah, bah, bah. It wasn't recording.
I'm hungry.
But now it is, though. That's what it's looking like right now, y'all. That's what it's looking like. Sunlight. Finishing result, y'all. That's simple. Y'all wondering why I'm not talking a lot. I'm ready to just eat. So that's all I'm about to do, y'all. I'm tapping out now. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. What's good, y'all? We back, man. The pizza was good, so I made her make another one. Simple.
Yeah, he was right. We had to make two.
Had to. I told y'all. So anybody at the bottom that said we had to make two, it was correct. It did. We might go for 3.
We don't even have another crust.
We have to make do the bacon crust. We ain't got the pizza roller. I'd have been elbowing the pizza. I'd have been.
Let's see mine. I don't even want to know the quality.
Yeah. That's how you rocking. You can flip your screen. Look, y'all, my baby got a camera too.
I'm trying to see.
Turn it around. You can turn it.
Wait, what's going wrong? Oh, I don't. You know I don't use this.
Y'all, I'm so glad that wasn't on camera because that would have looked bad. You like it?
Where's my phone?
Look at her lens. She ain't even taking care of her lens. She just wiped her lens off with the t-shirt.
Mama, see lights.
Hold on, let me help her.
I know it has focus where you can press it and it will focus.